Get ready for more price updates. Before I do get into that, I want to just quickly let you guys know I have another YouTube channel where I do these YouTube shorts. I got my third video up on the series up today. I'll have a link down in the description below. They're corny jokes, like dad jokes, and I'm doing some lottery scratchers. It's in good fun. If you guys enjoy that, don't forget to hit subscribe. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the news. So looking at the general crypto market here, we see not such a great day. This did catch me a little bit off guard. I know that we were on that bottom line of support for Bitcoin, suggesting that we could be retesting $30,000 again. We still have a couple hours left in the day as of the time of me recording this video, but realistically, it's on track. More than likely, it's going to be closing out a red candle. Whether or not it's going to be below $30,000, that remains to be seen. So looking at the market here, we can see Bitcoin down 0.76%, currently below $30,000. Ethereum is slightly up. It's only up 0.03, but technically up. It's at 1,895. BNB is down 1.08%. XRP is looking pretty good today. It's up 4.12%. And then looking at some of the other cryptos, we've got BIT is up 5.58%. Cello or Cello is down 9.54%. These have been making some larger moves over the recent days of my coverage. And then some of the Ethereum-based tokens, let's take a look over here at Uniswap. It's up 1.21%. Matic not looking so good. It's down 4.54%. But you'll notice we don't see a lot of deep reds or deep greens. There is a red here. This LPT token is down 5.5%. And 1 inch is down 12.5. That one is a bit more on the pain side. And then looking at some of the other tokens, for a deep green, there is this SUI token, which is up 8.22%. And then we have GMT down 9.79%. So moving over now to the Bitcoin trading charts, we have 4 days of candle closures in red, and was mentioned earlier in this video. Suggestively, it looks like we're probably going to have a 5th day of red candles, but it's also key to note that if it closes below $30,000, I would be concerned about it potentially having a further fallout, as we would be looking at the 50 moving average, this green line, possibly trying to retest that, and that's down at $28,700. Another significant drop below that would be down around $27,500. Are we going to see a flash crash for something like that? Anything is technically possible. Right now, I'm still trying to stay optimistic, and I'm hoping that this is a bit of a fake out, as do keep in mind, although it would close below $30,000, that would also suggest that it doesn't require very much to go above $30,000. And after having 5 days of red candles, this is outside the norm of what we've been seeing inside of this consolidated channel. So again, we've got 3 days starting back here on June 24th. We have 3 days that also happened back on July 4th. And then we broke out of that trend pattern here. So we do have 5 days of green candles in a row where there's the same instance happening multiple days in a row, meaning that it's green, 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 green. Now that we're looking at 5 red candles, I think that the odds are looking again even more probable that we could see a reversal. Let me know what you guys think about that down in the comments below. Now, moving on from Bitcoin, if we go over to BNB, with BNB, it is still moving in a sideways channel. As was mentioned, it has pulled back just a little bit here. And that green line still not looking good. The yellow line is essentially flatlined out, but this green line just feels more and more like it's going off of a cliff. We really need that to flatline out and ultimately climb back up. With Ethereum still falling on that level of that trend line, suggesting that is a key level of support. I had mentioned about this before. It broke through quite a bit on the day here before it climbed back up. But as it is right now, it's essentially following that down. So if this pattern was to hypothetically continue, personally, I have a feeling it's probably not going to happen again tomorrow, but could be wrong on that. We have 1,905 looking as the next right around range that we could see a daily candle closure. So I was hoping that Bitcoin was going to be a green candle today, and it did not happen. This was realistic that we could see that pullback though. So with SafeMoon, let's talk about it now. SafeMoon is down 2.65%. We have $8,000 in buy volume, $23,000 in sell volume. SafeMoon on Polygon is down 3.74% in the last 24 hours. We have 3 red candles. This one actually has a good amount of buy volume. It's $9,500 versus $285. Not very many transactions, though, total of 11. SafeMoon on the Ethereum side, it's up 0.18% compared to yesterday. I don't know how that's possible, but it's got a red candle going on here, and we have $1,800 in buy volume versus $237 in sell volume. Blockbuster Tech is down 3.75% with $174 in buy volume, $1,500 in sell volume. And then Pepe is one transaction that is a sell. It's a sell for $1,900. So those are the latest price moves in crypto. Let us know what you guys think about these down in the comments below. And that's what I got for you guys. So again, if you want to check out my other YouTube channel where it's just these quick 1-minute type videos, and they're jokes, they're corny jokes, and you see me try and win a lottery scratcher. Sometimes I win, sometimes I don't, and you gotta watch to see what happens there. So 3 videos already up on that series. I got a bunch of videos recorded. I'm in process of editing, getting those up, trying to get 1 a day. Would love it if you guys check out that channel, and hopefully it brings a smile to your face. And I would love to know what you guys think about that as well. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members as well. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.